For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Kolkata Knight Riders captain Dinesh Karthik has roasted his teammates like never before. In a show called Totally Stumped by DK, Dinesh Karthik roasted teammates Andre Russell and Sunil Narine. Chennai-born wicketkeeper batsman's show is totally different from any other live chat shows. The Totally Stumped by DK is filled with a fun, jibes and taunts with no holds bar. Kolkata Knight Riders franchise has tweeted about the show well in advance to alert KKR fans. Hilarious roast on Totally Stumped by DK featuring Andre Russell and Sunil Narine. We guarantee you've never seen this funny side of Dinesh Karthik, Andre Russell and Sunil Narine. During the interaction, Kolkata Knight Riders players talk about the coronavirus pandemic, its impact on daily life in India as well as in the West Indies. They also talk about sports activities halted due to the lockdown. While talking about the lockdown, sportspersons have restricted themselves to household activities. Russell tried to troll Dinesh Karthik with his beard jibe. Russell asks Dinesh Karthik why he kept a long beard. DK, what's wrong with your barber? Your barber dead? You are not allowed to get like razor blades and stuff? Responding to Andre Russell's jibe, Dinesh Karthik tried to reason it by saying it's due to the lockdown, as people can't go outside and even there are no shops open except for essential services. Indian cricketer just didn't stop here, but he countered West Indies all-rounder by asking him about his strange desire of buying a helicopter. You wanted to buy a helicopter, is it? People want to buy a car and you wanted to buy a helicopter? Replying to Dinesh Karthik's query, shy and confused, Andre Russell tried to tell him the reason behind his desire to fly. Russell said he is fed up with daily traffic and wishes to buy a flying car and not a helicopter, as it would help him beat the traffic by flying over it. Meanwhile, another Caribbean, Sunil Narine, tries to take it out at Dinesh Karthik with a comment on his beard. Sunil suggested KKR captain to keep his beard for the Indian Premier League. He should have this hairstyle for the Indian Premier League. After hearing Sunil Narine's suggestion, Dinesh Karthik takes on the spinner for a fun ride with captaincy jibe. Kolkata Knight Rider asked Narine whether he wanted to captain the side. You want to bat high up the order, you want to bowl with a new ball, next thing you want to captain also. What do I do then? After Dinesh Karthik's roast mystery spinner, Sunil Narine too pulled Andre's leg with taunts. Narine says Andre always got him out whenever he gets an opportunity during the IPL or in other tournaments.